Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have another throwback video. We are working with the Tarteist Pro palette, and I wanted to play with this one, and then the other day I was looking at it and some of the shadows in it broke. I have 1, 2, and 3 shadows broke. So I have Classic is broken, Innocent, and Indie, but they're not like broken, completely gone. I did fix them, but they have a little bit more character to them. So I've already concealed my lids and kind of primed a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Vintage and just fluff that all over, just to kind of set that, because today I want to go around and kind of make a really, I wanted to play with the browns that are in here, kind of getting off subject. I'm kind of not getting off what I wanted to say. So I have some tape here, just regular old gift wrapping. I'm going to go ahead and do my face afterwards. We're just going to work with the eyes. So I'm just kind of tapping this on my fingers a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to work with the crease area first. This tape feels so weird. It always does. So I'm going to go ahead and take the color Bold. Here it's at the bottom. And I'm just going to take a nice big fluffy brush, and the next shade I'm going to take is color Edgy. It's a chocolatey, it's a chocolatey brown, and I'm going to take it with like a domed brush so I can kind of concentrate that color in a certain spot. It's been a long time since I've used tape, so I'm not really sure how this is going to work out. And this one on this eye is stabbing me. I'm gonna go ahead and blend a little bit more. As you can see, more than I normally do, it's going up a lot higher on my brow. And I guess that's what we're working with today. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is go in with a much darker brown, and I'm going to take it with a more of a precise brush. And the color that I'm going to take is called Smoked, right here at the bottom. I'm putting it much higher into my crease than I normally do as well. So today we are doing a lot of new things. After we get the blending and everything right, we can finally take this, we can take the tape off and see what we've got left to work with. Alright, I'm gonna go do some more blending here on the edges, because I'm using just kind of like a dual fiber brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off. I'm a little bit nervous, so that actually is alright, I guess. It kind of looks a little bit bad. I guess I picked not very good tape. Man, I'm running into a lot of trial and errors. That one actually turned out not too bad. The line actually comes out a bit farther than I wanted it to. So let's just kind of go here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with another fluffy brush and just, I'm not gonna blend down, I'm just going to blend like out so we don't have like a majorly harsh line. It's like a nice starter line to do for your eyeliner, so it's not too shabby, I guess. So I think I'm gonna go in with one of these shimmery kind of shades, and maybe we'll take Gleam. Let's swatch it. Or we have Ethereal. And I'm thinking I'm gonna take Ethereal, which is this shade right here. It's like the one shimmery shade that they have in there. And I'm not gonna take it all over the lid, just on the outer half. So I'm going to take that Ethereal shade and I'm just placing it kind of like still on the half, like right here. Kind of blending it into the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to take Vintage again, and I'm going to try to put that into the inner corner, and then I will go over it with, I think I'm going to go over it with Gleam, and that will kind of change the shade of how it comes off. If I can build this color up, here because it's more of, it's like a creamy white. It's not a true white, like an off-white I guess, but it works really great for highlighting. I'm going to take Gleam, which is that lighter kind of gold here, and I'm going to place that over that white. I just wanted to change the tone of it a bit. I just wanted to change the tone of how it comes off a bit, make it a bit lighter. It will make it change the undertones really of it. Right, I think we're done with the palette for now until we go to the under eyes. I think right now we should do some liner, and just because it's kind of a throwback from those shimmer strips that Physicians Formula used to put out all the time. This is the Shimmer Strips Smoky Eye Kaujal for brown eyes. It's just like the brown one. Kind of along the lines of what I wanted to do anyways, and it just... I'm thinking that looks actually pretty good for now. We have to put the rest of our face on to see what it's gonna look like. To get the Nyx Angel Veil, I always mix stuff up because if it's been sitting and laying in the same position. So I always mix them up because I just feel like it makes a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that Nyx Angel Veil and place that all over. And one thing I like to do with this is, like, see this little friend we have right here? I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more primer and just blend it into that spot, because this primer also has blurring effects. So we don't have anything sticking to certain areas. I'm just gonna avoid that one area. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna take is Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. Mine is in the shade 1.0, and I got my flower sponge here. I'm gonna pump some on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do a little bit of spot concealing with this Milani Retouch and Erase. It's not the best concealer, I've said it in the past, but it kind of does a little bit of what I need it to do. Today I'm going to try this Physicians Formula one, those healthy booster powders, and I think I'm just going to try it and see what it does, because it's got a little bit of a pink heart in there. I tried it the other day and I didn't notice too much pink, so I figured it was going to be more like one of those hourglass veils kind of things. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and just take the same liner that I used before and just run that under my eye and kind of smudge it out and see what happens. That ended up actually not looking too bad, so I went ahead and applied this mascara from NYX, the Worth the Height. Go ahead and play with Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I know that you can still get this and people still actually like it, but at the same time you don't hear people talk about it as much, so let's go ahead and pull that out and bronze up. I've been really liking to like bronze / contour lately, and over the weekend for our anniversary, my husband sometimes will get me like a makeup thing, and it's like fun because he'll pick it out all by himself. So he got me this thing from Pixie, and these are really pretty. Like, it seems like it would be really too dark for my skin, but it kind of gives that JLo glow, you know. I mean, obviously I don't have darker skin, but at the same time it just looks so pretty. So I will definitely have to play with that. I'm kind of collecting a little bit of try new products kind of situation, so it'll be a collection kind of a video. Some things may not be super new already or something like that, but I think over a certain amount of time I'll have a number of things to try, especially one of those new NYX foundations that actually is my right color. This one seems a bit light too, but could just be because it's getting a little bit older. almost past its number date, I would say. That's not good. That's not good on me. So this video is turning out to be quite long. So I'm going to go in with my Jordana blushes. Jordana is a really great brand. It's cruelty free and it is quite very affordable. So the color I think I'm going to take today is called Rose Silk. For highlight, I'm going to take an oldie but definitely a goodie is the Physicians Formula. This is the shimmer one that they have. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed, but on the inside it has like some pretty incredible instructions. Physicians Formula shimmer strips, and I'm going to just swirl them all together and just kind of end up on the lighter side. I like the way that it looks all blurred together. It kind of adds, like, I can swatch them. Yeah, it's like a kind of peachy bronze. Lips, I'm just going to take a NYX Butter Gloss and just apply that to my lips because I don't think I need to do anything else dramatic. This is just the Butter Gloss in Maple Blondie. Super pretty and good. So that is the end of this video with the Tarteist Pro palette. I really love this palette because it's like so many mattes in it, and I highly recommend it if you haven't already picked it up. If you're looking for something like this, it's very everyday. You can go super neutral, super simple, or super glam. So I mean, it's like best of both worlds, and it is cruelty free, so you're just the best bang for your buck, really, I think. And I will put the price for it down here so that you know, and there will be a link for it down in the description. If you guys did like this video and want to see more, I will link the playlist just here and it will be ready for you to watch. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and please subscribe if you already have it, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.